Now, notice we have two left turn lanes. Okay, we're coming up to the new bridge, which it's actually an X, they crisscross. So notice the red arrows on the lights, that they're slanted slightly to the left. Also, they put little black lines on each side of the white lines so that you can see them better on the cement. Now, why did I pick this lane? Because this lane keeps going as I go down the ramp to the merge. The left lane has to come back into this lane. So that's how you pre-position your car, and you choose what lane you want to be in. So we're just waiting for the red arrow. And then if you look to your left, that's the highway. That's Route 7. So we're going to come down a ramp. And usually on a ramp, you have a nice amount of merge area. Your clover leaves, usually they're smaller, okay? 1001, and then I start to accelerate. I'm looking at the little lines. Now I'm looking between the lines on my left, the curb on the right. Have a yield from the right, but no cars are there. Now notice the yellow signs. It's telling them that the left lane comes into this lane, which is why I chose this lane back at the light. Now, I'm going up the speed's 55. I'm going about 56, 57. At the end of the white line, I look over my right left shoulder. It's clear, so I'm going over gently. And now I'm into the lane I want. And that's how you come down a ramp.